Today I will introduce our shopping cart web application, and we are Team 11 and consists of Y Star Computing Company. And now let me show the key function. And we can put in our URL address. And then the first page we can see the login to shop function. The username about customer one and its password have already stored in our database. And if you log in with the username which is not existing in our system, they have two conditions. The first one, the username is not included in our system, like put randomly and password. The system will check the username only, not to verify the password. And second condition, we all know the customer one has already installed our system database and will give the wrong password and submit. We can see they will verify the password is correct or not after match the username. So we can first use the customer one and submit. Once the submit successful, you will see your customer name on the head right of the page, and there have another function about your purchase history and the logout. And the second function is about the list of our product. You can see this is our whole product, and if you interested in one product like Microsoft Word, you can click the name and it will turn to the product detailed page about the description, price, and the quantity you want to add to cart. You can to add the product into cart in this page, and also if you add in this page, the web application will turn back to the home page because we want to select another product you like, so we set this function. And then the next function is about the search the keyword about the product. We give a practice like P. So you can see this is the result is about Microsoft PowerPoint. And if we have nothing in our searching button and enter, they will return all the products we have. And let's try about Word. So you can see the result is a Microsoft Word, and we also can add the cart in here, and they also will turn to the home page. And next we can add the other item to our cart, because just now we add some items, so our cart have already changed the 4 items, and now we add more to the cart. One about OneNote and OneDrive, they will turn to the 7th item. And next function is about manage and view our cart. We renamed the cart as a basket, so you can see just now you select the product details, reduce the number of word, and refresh, the total price will change and the quantity will change. And then we can clean our basket. If we clean the basket, we will jump out wording like, are you sure to do this operation? If we click the cancel, the basket will never change. And if we click the OK, your basket will be empty, and then you need to continue shopping and go home. And then the next function is about manage our activation code. So we add some product in our basket, and then to checkout. And checkout, they will turn to the order information. This is the product in order, and we select 3 Microsoft Excel, so they have 3 activation code because one product have unique the activation code. And other details about time, the order created, and the product description. And next, we can view our purchase history. If we click this button, you will see all the products you have already bought, like all this information. And this one, they have a three code you also can view. And the last part is log out. If you click to log out, the page will turn back to the login to the shop. So all of these things is about our systems, the key function, and the next part I will show the additional function about our web application. Now I will show the additional function about our web application. The first one is about register. Just now we show the customer one, which is stored in our database, and now we can select the register. IS. If the username is less than 3, they will have the warning ISS1, and the password is if one word is will remind us must be at least 3. So the name is ISS1, last name ISS1, the email address you can use for instance. One is not the user, is not in the first name and last name, so we can not add the number. The last name ISS address maybe blog 410 Climate 410. Oh, the address should be must 10 characters, so Climate and 12345. The phone number 12345. It's okay. We created a new customer username and password, so we click to create it. It's already stored in our database, so we try 1, 2, 3, and submit. Is successful. And then I will show the second additional function for you. Then the second additional function is about our web application can remember the customer's shopping cart details. Just now we use the ISS username and checkout, so we log in again and we can see the shopping cart is empty. And now we add some product into the shopping cart. 1 and 2. You can see the basket have already refreshed, and now we log out. Now we have a logout successful. Then we log in again. We can see our shopping cart have already checked in the 4 items. So we store the customer or the basket details and information in our system, so it's more convenient for customer to shopping in our web application. Last but not least, this function the customer will not see, but we can give the feeling of the customer about the security and safety. We use the password hash class to give the password encrypted. This part is we think is very important and necessary, and the result of this class I will show it in the database. And then the system web application database is my shop cart, and we all know this the customer information is stored in the customer table, and we check this table. And just now we created the ISS username and the password. You can say this is already successfully encrypted. So it's for the customer. This is a very safety, and we can reduce the possibility of hacker attack. So all of these things is about our web application, the key function and the additional function. And thank you for your watching. We are Team 11.